Good morning, students. I am Vishal Srivastav is again here to teach you mathematics for class 9th. Students, in our last lecture, we have studied about how do we represent rational numbers on number line, in which we will look at an example of the first category, that is, in which numerator is less than their denominator. Student, in this video we will try to plot rational numbers whose numerators are greater than their denominators. So let's start. Students, let us plot 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. Students, we try to plot 5 by 3 first. The first step in such kind of problem where the numerator is greater than the denominator is to convert it into a mixed fraction form. Students, you would have learned this in your earlier classes, but let me quickly show you how. Students, we only have to divide 5 by 3. We get the quotient as 1 and the remainder as 2. So we write the mixed fraction as quotient remainder by divisor. Students, this is the whole part and this is the fractional part. So we can write 5 by 3 as 1 whole 2 by 3. Students, here 1 is called the whole number part and 2 by 3 is called the proper fraction part. Each of the three numbers 1, 2 and 3 tell us something about where 5 by 3 is plotted on the number line. Students, the whole number part tell us the position of 5 by 3. So 1 tell us that the rational number 5 by 3 is between itself and the next whole number. The next whole number is 2. So we know that 5 by 3 is between 1 and 2. So we draw the number line accordingly with just 0, 1 and 2 marked. Students, the denominator of the proper fraction part tells us the number of equal parts this segment is divided into. Since it is 3, we divide this segment into 3 parts. This segment between 1 and 2 is divided into 3 equal parts. Students, the numerator of the proper fraction part tells us the number of parts away from the first whole number. So it is 2 parts away from 1. So we mark 5 by 3 here. Students, what about minus 5 by 3? We can write minus 5 by 3 as minus 1 whole 2 by 3. Now the number minus 1 tells us that minus 5 by 3 is between itself and the next number. Students, make note of the fact that the next number will be on the left hand side, since minus 5 by 3 is a negative rational number. So the next number is minus 2. Now we can say that minus 5 by 3 is between minus 1 and minus 2. Students, as we know that the denominator tells us the number of equal parts this length is divided into. So we divided into 3 equal parts by marking 2 lines. Students, here the number 2 tells us the number of parts from the number minus 1. So leaving 2 parts from minus 1, we mark minus 5 by 3 here. So with that, we are done with the topic of plotting positive and negative rational numbers. Students, our today's topic is over. So thank you students, and have a nice day.